So what's up guys, technical Haman Suri, and welcome back to the next project video. And this is going to be for fine tuning the large language model on the sentiment analysis dataset. Okay, so this is the we'll start with installing this datasets module, and we will load the tweet sentiment extraction model. We'll load the dataset from here, and we can load it from Hugging Face also. I'll just show you. So from here, if you go, you can easily load this data set from here. So we are targeting, you know, the tweets, whatever the tweets or whatever the message or the text that we get, we will be labeling it as neutral, negative, or positive, depending upon the tweets, you know, frequency with respect to the label classes. So if you see, there are some examples that are given here. My shop is running dangerously low on ink, negative. Test from LGENV, it's a neutral one. So this is how we'll be fine tuning our model, and then we will be testing it. So okay, so we will be also like using the transformers model, and then we will load the model here using this particular cell. So let me just execute this cell also. We'll load this data set for that. And then for tokenizer, we are using this pre-trained GPT model. Okay, so but then we'll decide we'll divide our dataset into train and test. Okay, and as you can see, it has loaded the model. Then I'll just execute this one. It's still loading. So it's a small model, so it will take some small amount of time only, not much. I'm doing this on Google Colab. I'm using this T4 GPU so that the processing works fine and fast. Okay, so let's divide this and run and test, and then we'll be loading our GPT-2 model here. So it's around just half GB model, and then we'll be installing this evaluate model just to test the accuracy afterwards. Okay, so now this is the main thing. We'll be training our model in this particular piece of code. Okay, so all the data set we have already assigned here, model also we have assigned. So let's just begin with the training of the model so that we'll learn from it. So just don't want any results to be visualized. So as you can see, our model training has begun. So the model will learn from the tweets dataset that we are passing it on the labeling classes that we have already given to it. So whatever the inputs that we will be passing to it, it will give us the frequency of the, like it will classify that particular piece of message belonging to either neutral, negative, or the positive tweet. So with this, we can easily analyze the sentiments of various people, like whether there is an outcome. Let's say we have launched our product or any web application, and we want to see how the review of the people is going on, and we want to see the ultimate conclusion of that particular tweet or particular message. Then we can easily use the sentiment analysis method model, and then we can easily understand that is the feedback negative, positive, or a neutral one. So this training will take some time. So guys, we are back, and the training was taking a bit of time, so I just pause the video and we are back. So see, as you can see, the model has done the training, and you can see there is a training loss that we have got. Okay, so we'll just evaluate using trainer dot evaluate, and then we'll also save the model using this cell. So it will take just around 1 minute of time more, and I'll also execute this cell for saving the model, at least so that our pre-trained model can be our model can be saved here, and then we'll again load the model which we have saved. Okay, the pre-trained model, and then we'll install torch and torch audio and torch vision. So just evaluate what was the model performance after that. So with this we can like easily, it's just a dive into LLM fine tuning. So it will make you understand how this fine tuning process actually works. Okay, we are getting the error. I'll just avoid that this error, and let's continue with the saving of the model. At least we'll remove this piece of code from here. So at least I can save my model, and then we'll be loading the tokenizer. We'll be loading our model here. And then we'll be checking on multiple tweets, that what will be the sentiment according to those. We'll be seeing the output. That in this way it will be easy for us to you know get an analysis using AI without using any API. We can easily get to know what the sentiment outcome, what is the outcome of that particular tweet. Was it a positive feedback or was it a negative one? So let's just classify these tweets. So I just kept positive, neutral, and negative tweets into, and the mixed one also. So let's see what's the output we get after executing this cell. I have kept a lot of tweets here. I'll just also, so okay, we have got the output right now. And if you see, I love this movie, it's fantastic. Let's say it was a movie review, let's say. So it's the positive sentiment. Okay, so these are the examples of the positive one. Let's see the negative ones now. The book is also absolutely wonderful. Okay, so see, this is the worst experience I've ever had. So it's a negative one. Okay, now if we go down a bit down, we will see that these are the neutral sentiments. Let's say spend some time browsing the internet. So it's a neutral one. We are not getting to any negative or a positive thing. We don't talk anymore because we fought. So okay, it's a neutral one. Okay, let's see. Further, it's like the day was productive yet stressful. So it's a neutral. Okay, we don't. Okay, so this one can also be a neutral one. Okay, so I'll take an example. Let's say I'll just remove this, and let's see what it classifies. So of this video I got one. Okay, let's just see what's the output comes for this one. So it's executing. Okay, it's a neutral one now. Okay, let's give something like mm, let's see. So I hate your YouTube channel. It's a negative one. I love your YouTube channel and content. It's a positive feedback from my YouTube channel. Let's say you guys, you can also comment and I'll see what the sentiments goes with respect to this video. Let's give an example. One more. Let's I could okay. Let's see what is the output come. So okay, it's a neutral one. Face poor. Okay, so now it has went to see. I could not get a satisfied reply from the candidate because of his poor performance. So it's a sentiment negative one. Okay, now it's a and let's see. It was really great. Okay, so you can see now the sentiment has gone to positive. Now when I just give it till this one because of its preparation, it was a neutral one. Now when I added it, it was really great. It gave it as a positive. So this is how you can fine tune your model, and you can easily use this particular piece of model as your personal custom pre-trained large language model, fine tuned with respect to the sentiment analysis in your web applications, in your any applications for which you want the reviews of, and you want to classify them into positive, negative, and neutral feedbacks depending upon the message or the tweets that you get. It was fine tuned from the tweets, but this can easily be used in any of the applications system as an classifier for the feedbacks that a person that we can get for our application or anything, and then we can easily classify into CSV and see and do the data analysis whether our project or whether our product is being liked by the person or the people or not, with the usage of AI and without getting dependent on any third party API, right? So thanks for watching this video, and also to subscribe to my channel for more technical videos of this kind. I'll be posting the new videos with respect to data and AI. Thank you, and have a nice day.